If your school uses Google Classroom and you and your students have accounts, then you can sign in with your Google Classroom credentials. Click Account Sign In and select the Google Classroom icon as shown here. A window will pop up from Google asking you to validate your Google credentials. Once done, your account will have been created and will be signed in. Be sure to sign in with this method whenever you want to access your product. Be aware that if your school has purchased products for you to use within Google Classroom, you will log in with the same method by clicking the Google Classroom icon and entering your Google Classroom credentials. By logging in with your Google Classroom account, the product portal will be aware that you are a teacher belonging to the school or district that has purchased the product. More information about accessing products that were purchased for you can be found in the link below.